Opium's particles, by their direct and topical influence on the nerves of the lungs, confidently speculated one British Army doctor, Duncan Macpherson, who saw action in China, guard the system against disease. But taking a hard line on opium in 19th century China was primarily difficult because the drug was so ambiguously useful as an antispasmodic, as an analgesic, as a cough, fever, and appetite suppressant. For centuries, it had been a palliative against the many commonplace complaints that afflicted the inhabitants of late imperial China: diarrhea, fevers, aches and pains, hunger, exhaustion. While China did not produce aspirin, which remained the case at least as late as 1934, even though it was being commercially manufactured back in the 1890s, opium was our medicine. It was all we had, explained one former soldier in the pay of the nationalist government, 1928 1949. There is no disease in which opium may not be employed, reported Macpherson from personal experience. Nor do we know of any substance which can supply its place.